Welcome back to Emoji Playground. Can you guess the animal by emoji? We prepared 30 questions, and you have 10 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First question, what's the name of this animal? That's right, the answer is monkey. Do you know this animal? Great answer, it's a panda. Can you guess this animal? Perfect, this animal's bear. What about this animal? Exactly, this is jellyfish. Can you remember the name of this animal? You got it right. The answer is tiger. Any ideas? Perfectly, it's a zebra. What animals is this? Awesome, that's seal. I think you know this animal. That's great. The answer is camel. Any guesses? So beautiful. This animal called reindeer. Which animal do you think this is? Excellent. The answer is squirrel. Can you solve this equation? Yes, the answer is 19. Think carefully. Very fantastic, it's snail. What about this one? Good job. The answer is butterfly. Do you have any ideas? Yes, it's blue whale. Next animal, can you guess? Well done. This animal's hamster. What do you think? Yes, the answer is seahorse. Can you name this animal? Very good. This animal's earthworm. Can you guess what animal this is? Yes, the answer is bears. What's your idea? You're so brilliant. The answer is swan. The next animal. Correct, it's donkey. Where's the odd one? Time's up. The odd sheep is located in the third row. Any ideas? Perfect, it's peacock. Which animal do you think this is? Exactly, this is polar bear. Think carefully. You got it right. The answer is penguins. What about this one? Perfectly, it's sheepdog. Next animal, can you guess? Awesome, that's snow leopard. Can you name this animal? That's great, the answer is eagle. Can you guess what animal this is? So beautiful. This animal called rhino. Next animal, can you guess? Excellent, the answer is wolf. What about this animal? Good job. The answer is goldfish. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes like this. See you in the next video.